Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
While they're delicious and easy to make, people sometimes put fully frozen fruits in the blender. This can result in lumpy smoothies and, in some cases, can cause the sharp blades to crack and break. Leave frozen fruits out in the fridge to thaw or put them in a Ziploc bag and thaw in a bowl of water before blending.
Let's help you make your mark.
Blended fruit isn't nutritionally equivalent to the same fruit left whole, according to some experts. Although, of course, some properties remain present, including soluble fiber, blending can break down insoluble fiber.
Let's help you make your mark.
Frozen fruit can be partially thawed on your kitchen counter for 30 minutes before using to make it easier to blend in your smoothie. Adding oatmeal to your smoothie can provide fiber that will make the drink more filling.
Let's help you make your mark.
What to do with frozen fruit, according to 2 nutrition experts. Make fruit compote. If you need a sweet topping for things like yogurt and pancakes, use frozen mixed berries to make fruit compote. Have them as a snack. Add flavor to your water. Make ice cream. Mix up a vinaigrette. Make berry pancakes. Make freezer fudge.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.